What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So today is my first video that I have posted in a really long time, so I'm excited because I'm kind of starting over, and I'm excited because I'm sharing my first layered DIY haircut because we are stuck here in quarantine, can't get to any hair salons, any of that. So I figured I share with you guys how I did it and my results. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and let's jump right into it. So you're going to need a spray bottle of water, a comb, hair scissors, I got mine from the dollar store, and some scrunchies. And first, I just go ahead and spritz my hair with water, make it really wet, and comb it out. So next, I flip all my hair to the front and I comb it down just to try to get all the curls, knots, whatever it may be out so that it's smooth when I start cutting. And after I'm done combing, I tie it into a tight ponytail at the top of my head. After I tie my hair up, I take my spray bottle and I re-wet my ends to make sure that they're really wet, and then comb through it. Lastly, after you comb through your hair, you're going to take a scrunchie and tie it towards your ends, and you're going to push it down to where you might want to cut your hair. I only wanted to cut a little bit, so I showed you here. And then I took the scissors and just cut straight across. Now on to the next section. I split my hair into two, so the same way you do half up, half down, same concept. I just tied one half to the front and one half to the back. I combed out the back as good as I could to make sure that it wasn't in the way, and then I just tied it back. So again, you're just going to spray your hair, make it really wet, and tie your hair up into a ponytail, a tight ponytail, up at the top of your head. You can re-wet your ends if you like. I did it so that my ends were really wet. Then I went and tied my scrunchie and pushed it down to where I wanted to cut my hair. And on this section, instead of cutting straight across, I cut down on a diagonal. So for this last layer, you're going to follow the pattern from the arch in your eyebrow all the way up and make your part that way. It's a small section, but your top layer is usually the shortest, so that's fine. And then I'm just going to tie my hair back and get ready to cut my last layer. So again, you're going to just spray your hair with water and comb it out, and then you're going to tie a tight ponytail at the top of your hair, and then you're going to add one more scrunchie at the bottom. Push it down to where you want to cut your last layer, and we're going to cut diagonally again like the last section, not straight across but on a diagonal. And my last step was to finally just wet all of my hair together and comb it out to see how my first official DIY cut came out. So now I'm just gonna let it air dry and be back to show you the final result. I'm not gonna put any products in my hair right now. I just want to see how it looks when it's dry. So please stay tuned for those results. So here is my finished look. Like I said, I didn't put any products in there. If you're looking for a haircut to kind of make your hair bigger or shape it different, layers would be awesome. The first time I got my hair cut in layers at the salon, it made my hair bigger. So I really like that. And I just like the shape of how it looks. Or you can also wear it in a middle part like this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gives you something to do since we're stuck in quarantine for however many more days. You can go ahead and try a new style on your hair. I thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my videos, because I will be uploading more videos. Like I said, it's like I'm starting over, so I will be uploading more videos, and I will catch you in my next video.